Hello, so today I will making the pineapple cake tea. For making a pineapple cake tea, we need to boil water and put the ingredients to it. The ingredients of this tea is only tea. It's your choice if you want black or green, and then pineapple, sliced pineapple, and then 1-inch pieces of fresh ginger. So that I add some simple syrup for sweetener, and then after ko mag-boil ay hinalis ko na siya sa heat, and then minix ko lang siya. And after po natin siyang ma-mix, kailangan po natin ng strainer para ma-discard yung mga pineapples. Pero you can add the pineapple naman for sweetener na din if gusto mo lang. Pero kasi sa akin ayaw. Para mabilis siyang inumin. And then, ayan. Sinalin ko nga pala siya sa isa pang lagayan. So, after nan, tsaka mo siya, pwede nang iserve. Sa tatlong ingredients, meron ka ng pineapple cake tea. And now, you can serve it. Thank you. Hello, so today I will be making the Island Creamy Latte. This drink plays with texture and creamy sweet flavors by infusing the caramel and combining it with tropical coconut. So for doing this coffee, we need 5 ingredients. The coffee base, 1 to 2 shots of espresso, and the dairy milk, 1 cup cold milk. Sweeteners flavor is coconut syrup, caramel syrup, and for the serving is ice cube. So here I'm making my own caramel syrup. It just needs 2 ingredients, which is sugar, washed sugar or white sugar, and then water, konting water lang, and then onting gatas. And after that, I prepare the glass and drizzle a generous amount of caramel and coconut syrup around the inside walls of serving glass. The milk I chose is the sterilized Bear Brand. And then, ayan yung coconut oil. Hindi siya masyadong kita. Pero, ayan yun. And then, yung coffee base ko. Which is Nescafe lang. Nescafe stick. Nescafe block. And after natin mag-drizzle, maglalagay nga pala tayo ng yellow. 2 nga pala yung ginawa ko. And after nga natin lagyan ng yellow, mag-a-add na tayo ng milk. Ilalagay natin siya over the ice. And then we slowly pour the brewed coffee over the top of the milk and the ice. And then serve.